Meet Adam and Vanessa. They're at that beautiful stage in life where they're pondering their next big adventure, retirement. But where to begin? Adam then thinks of an active adult community, a place where every day feels like a holiday and new friendships are just a few steps away. Vanessa's heart sinks a little. The community sounds wonderful, but it would mean moving away from their family. Can they make that sacrifice? Adam's eyes light up at the thought of renovating their current home. Imagine a kitchen that's a culinary paradise and a bathroom that feels like a day spa. But wait, renovations are a big undertaking. Vanessa's eyes meet Adam's, and they both realize it might not be as simple as they'd hoped. Vanessa's mind wanders to the idea of a custom home, a place designed just for them, down to the last detail. Adam sighs. A custom home would be incredible, but it would mean leaving their beloved neighborhood and waiting up to 2 years. So many options, yet so many questions. Vanessa picks up her phone. She types, "Where should I retire in Northern Virginia?" and discovers AV Architects and Builders Learning Center. A glimmer of hope. They find a treasure trove of resources at AV Architects and Builders Learning Center. Finally, they feel empowered to make an informed decision. Your dream home is just a click away.